Number 7. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality (VR) immerses the user in an environment, while augmented reality (AR) enhances the environment. Although VR has primarily been used for diversion to this point, it has also been used for training, as with Virtuals, a simulation software used to train the U.S. Navy, Army and Coast Guard ship captains. The popular Pokémon Go is an associate example of AR. Both have huge potential in coaching, amusement, education, marketing, associated even rehabilitation when an injury. Either can be wont to train doctors to try and do surgery, provide museum-goers deeper expertise, enhance theme parks or even enhance marketing, as with this Pepsi Max bus shelter. According to a piece of writing at Monster.com, the demand for job candidates with VR information is up 37%, however, the potential staff area unit in brief provide that demand will only increase. Their area unit major players within the VR market, like Google, Samsung, and Oculus, but plenty of startups are forming and they will be hiring, or trying to, in light of the shortage. Getting started in VR doesn't require a lot of specialized knowledge. Basic programming skills and a forward-thinking mentality will land employment, though different employers are trying to find optics as a skill set and hardware engineers yet.